Gregorio del Pilar, November 14, 1875, December 2, 1899, is a revered figure in Philippine history, celebrated as one of the most courageous and capable leaders of the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. Often referred to as the hero of Tirad Pass, del Pilar's legacy is marked by his strategic acumen, fearless leadership, and unwavering commitment to Philippine independence. Born in the town of Bulacan, Philippines, Gregorio del Pilar was the youngest of 4 children in a prominent family. His early education took place in Manila, where he was known for his intelligence and enthusiasm. His studies were abruptly interrupted when he decided to join the revolutionary movement against Spanish rule. Inspired by the nationalist fervor of his time and the leadership of figures like Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo, del Pilar quickly became involved in the revolution. His deep sense of patriotism and natural leadership qualities made him a standout figure. His rapid rise through the ranks of the Revolutionary Army was a testament to his abilities and dedication. Gregorio del Pilar is best known for his role in the Battle of Tirad Pass, which took place from December 2nd to 6th, 1899. At just 24 years old, he was appointed as a general, commanding a small but determined force of Filipino soldiers. The battle was a pivotal moment in the Philippine-American War, showcasing del Pilar's strategic brilliance and valor. The American forces, led by General Frederick Funston, sought to capture the retreating Filipino forces led by del Pilar. Despite being heavily outnumbered, del Pilar and his men put up a valiant defense at Tirad Pass, a rugged and narrow mountain pass. Their courageous stand delayed the American advance, allowing Filipino President Emilio Aguinaldo and other revolutionary leaders to escape. Tragically, del Pilar was mortally wounded during the battle and died on December 2nd, 1899. His sacrifice and leadership in this critical engagement cemented his place in Philippine history as a symbol of resistance and patriotism. Gregorio del Pilar's contributions to the struggle for Philippine independence have been immortalized in various forms, including monuments and commemorations. His leadership at Tirad Pass is often cited as an example of tactical ingenuity and heroic sacrifice. His legacy extends beyond his military achievements. Del Pilar is remembered as a young leader who embodied the spirit of the Filipino people's quest for freedom. Schools, streets, and even a city in the Philippines bear his name, ensuring that future generations remember his contributions to the nation's history. In summary, Gregorio del Pilar's life, though brief, was marked by extraordinary bravery and dedication. His role in the Battle of Tirad Pass stands as a testament to his skill and patriotism, making him a celebrated hero in the annals of Philippines.
Sa isang maliit na bahay sa Bulacan, isang batang may pangarap ang lumaki sa gitna ng himagsikan. Siya ay si Gregorio del Pilar, ang batang general.
Gregorio, anak, ang bayan natin ay nangangailangan matatapang na Pilipino. Ang pagiging makabayan ay hindi lamang sa salita, kundi sa gawa.
Gusto ko rin pang maging katulad nila, Emma. Isang sundalo na dang ipagtanggol ang kanilang bayan.
Sa isang mandirigma ay puno ng pangarap. Ngunit kung ito ang iyong pangarap, ipagdarasal kita.
Sa kampo ng mga Pilipinong revolusyonaryo, si Gregorio del Pilar ngayon 22 taong gulang, suot ang uniforme ng revolusyon. Nakatayo sa harap ni General Emilio Aguinaldo.
Gregorio del Pilar, napatunayan mong may angking talino at tapang sa labanan. Ikaw na ngayon ang isa sa pinakabatang general ng ating hukbo.
Maraming salamat, Ginoong. Hindi ko sasayangin ang tiwala mong ibibigay. Handa akong iyari aking buhay para sa inang bayan. Mabuhay si General del Pilar!
Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Sa itaas ng pasong tirad, si General Gregorio del Pilar at ang kanyang 60 sundalo ay naghahanda sa pagdating ng mga sundalong Amerikano.
Mga kapatid, hindi natin nahayaan kapalusot ang mga banyag ni Pangulong Aguinaldo. Ito na ang ating huling pagtindig.
Pero General, masyado silang marami. Hindi natin sila kakayanin.
Hindi sukatan ng dami. Ang tapang ng ating puso ang tunay na sandata.
Nagsimula na ang matinding labanan. Nahulog sa kanyang kabayo si Goyo. Sugatan nito, habang namamatay, tinitinan niya ang litrato ng kanyang minamahal at ang watawat ng Pilipinas.